I think this technology is scalable at all points on the spectrum, from SMB up to enterprise. But where we kind of find the real value is, there's nothing that's off the shelf. You can't just go buy generative AI and expect there to be outcomes. There has to be a level of, I think it really kind of starts with intellectual curiosity. What are we trying to solve for? Where do we really need to improve? And can we leverage generative AI to do that? And so to go down that sort of thought process is incumbent, regardless of the size of the organization. But where we find the most impact, and you may see this as well, or you might disagree, but the companies that tend to lean in early and have a level of curiosity to say, we want to explore this and we want to get better. This is a new skill set. It's a new technology, but it's a new skill set in the fact that the technology has to be refined. It has, there's an infinite amount of unique use cases for this. And so I think the companies, the teams, and the people that really lean in early and start to experiment and see, hey, this works, this doesn't. This works really well. Oh, I hope this was going to work, but now, it doesn't. You've got to understand, how you can use this tool and where it's going to make the greatest difference. I see, large enterprise organizations benefiting tremendously from Gen AI. They have the right infrastructure in place, they have the right teams in place, but you have leadership at a lot of these companies that are saying, look, go out, explore, experiment, find where the greatest impact can be made. Yeah. And those companies that are leaning into that are clearly, they're finding new applications with their own data sets. They're uncovering new insights. I mean, it's really remarkable what they're able to do. And then you have large companies that are quite content saying, we're very hesitant. We want to wait and see what's going to happen. And you still, kind of fall into this, manual task trap that contributes to a lot of economic waste. But, I think, whether you're small, whether you're large, those that are leaning in and saying, hey, we're going to figure this out to some degree are going to win. Then we're seeing them win early and often.